Hello, mathematics students. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you're ready for an engaging session today. Today's topic is identifying functions using diagram mapping, and we'll be using an amazing tool called GeoGebra to explore it. GeoGebra is an interactive mathematics software that makes learning visual and fun, allowing us to dive into this topic with a hands-on approach. In this lesson, you will learn to 1. Define and distinguish between relations and functions. 2. Understand dependent and independent variables. 3. Identify the domain and range of a function. 4. Determine if a relation is a function, both numerically and graphically. Let's start by reviewing a few essential terms. Relation, a pairing between a set of inputs and outputs. Function, a special type of relation where each input is connected to exactly one output. Now, let's make this interactive. Using GeoGebra, you'll explore these concepts with a diagram mapping activity. GeoGebra includes a slider tool that allows you to change inputs dynamically. As you adjust the slider, observe how each input connects to an output. Here's what to look for. 1. Does each input have a single output? If so, it's a function. 2. Are any inputs connected to multiple outputs? If yes, it's a relation but not a function. This visualization will help you better understand when a relation qualifies as a function. By the end of this session, you'll be able to confidently identify functions and distinguish them from general relations, using both numbers and graphs.